Roses red, violets blue, but who gives a damn?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my sister Mesa.
Hi.
And
Okay, we're done with that.
so this video is inspired by Jenna Marbles because I love her, especially lately, and she did a at-home like eyelash perming kit thing, and it was really funny. So I got inspired to go buy one. This is different, I think, but it's called the 99 Korea eyelash perm.
It looks sketchy. Just a little bit.
Hopefully we won't burn off your eyelashes.
Wait, are my eyelashes gonna look
Korean? Yes.
Oh, you
And hope
better
for the
not
best.
burn off my eyelashes. So
Fingers
you're
crossed.
paying for new
Fingers
ones.
crossed. Okay, so it has instructions or directions on the back, but they are very much not make sense. So they're not like, I don't know, they don't have a whole lot of context in them. So like the first direction is first observe the thickness of and length of your lashes, then select suitable eyelash curlers. But I don't know what is suitable. So we're just gonna get into it and test it out.
Ooh, I'm scared.
You get to hold the directions.
All right.
Oh, I'll just show what it looks like. So it came to me like this. It has, okay, I think this one's first, second, third, fourth. I have no idea what this is, and I have absolutely no idea what these are. I learned from Jenna Marbles that like the smaller size you do is gonna make your eyelashes go straight up, so the bigger is gonna be more outwards first. So which one do you want?
The smaller.
You want the smallest one so they go straight up?
No.
Probably
The
the
middle.
Let's go in the middle. So what are the instructions?
Oh,
Stick your selected eyelash curlers closely onto your upper eyelids. Eyelash glue can be applied. Stick your eyelashes one by one onto the eyelash curlers by means of a small toothpick. Okay, I'm gonna read these and then we'll come back. Okay, so I've looked online before and I think these are supposed to be the eyelash things that that you stick them to, but they are like not coming off. Like they're sticking to the package and ripping. So I don't know. See, they're like completely like destroyed and they're not sticky at all. So what? Okay, so I'm just gonna open this.
I'm crying.
Okay. That's a huge eyeball.
Thanks.
Okay, now what? I'm gonna get some eyelash glue. It's brown, but I'm gonna get it.
Hey, yo, what's up?
Jada!
Oh.
What the heck did you do? Number one problem with this kit is it doesn't tell me what anything is. So it says eyelash curlers, but I don't know if that's this or if that's these. What is going on? Ah! That's something. Oh, yeah. Let me just show you this. Stick your eyelashes one by one onto your eyelash curlers by means of a small toothpick. Try to arrange your eyelashes in an orderly position so that eyelash is evenly fixed onto your eyelash curlers. But how do I get them to stick? Huh? It doesn't fit our eye to begin with.
No one's eye is that big, Sarah.
I know, that's what I'm saying. What smells like it smells like fish over here.
I didn't smell anything.
Okay.
Oh, I just got
It
a
smells
whiff.
like fish.
It smells like that mud on Sunday.
Is it?
Oof, my ring.
Wait. Oh my, it's this.
Oh my
That smells so bad. Smell this.
Oh my gosh.
That smells like legit
That
sewer.
smells like when you're driving on the road and it just
It smells like sulfur at the school.
Oh.
Yes. Oh my gosh. It's making me so mad. No! Stop! It's stuck. Don't you dare move.
That hurts.
I'm sorry, but don't blink, don't blink! Close your eyeballs.
I am.
No, please, no. Here, lean.
My ear! Ow!
Maybe we should just lay you down.
Oh, that sounds great.
I want ice cream. Okay. Mesa was complaining, so we had to lay her down.
Oh wait, that's not you. I was about to say you stink really bad. That's the thing. Okay, your boob is pushing on my boob and I don't like it. Get out.
What am I supposed to do?
Okay, now you're good.
I'm freaking pissed.
I don't think it's gonna work. You're drawing on my bottom. My eye itches like crazy.
What eye?
The one that you're working on. Oh,
Where's
it's
it?
burning.
It is?
A little bit.
Wait, open your eye.
Shit.
Are you okay?
What'd you do?
Nothing.
It burns. No, they just look a little wet.
Seriously? What happened?
It burned. And then I said a bad word.
So, result of this video was an absolute fail.
Yeah.
I wasted $16. It's free shipping though, so meh. I'm totally for like at home eyelash perming, but this kit, man, it was something. It literally does not make sense. Here, if you want to pause and just read the instructions, go ahead. Nowhere in the whole thing did it tell me what this is. It just says eyelash gel. But these are all eyelash gels, so I don't understand. Well, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I like it. I'm probably gonna dislike it.
Dislikes your video.
Also, I think I'm gonna be posting more often. I just barely uploaded in the middle of the week, so go watch that video. I have it linked below. Let me know what you want to see next, and
Please.
see you guys next time. Bye.
Roses red, violets blue, but who gives a damn when lovers and friends